guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charmaine. Welcome back to another quarantine giveaway. I don't know what giveaway this is, but it's just another one. I don't know what number giveaway this is. So today's wig is going to be NEESHA 201. So NEESHA 201. And I have her in the color DRFF Honey Brown, which is this actual color here on the card. This is the color here. She is a lace front. Well, she has a small little lace in the front from ear to ear. And then she has this parting space right here, which is also lace. The construction is your basic construction. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. She is a natural, like very natural looking, very natural looking. Like she looks like just relaxed hair. Like you just got a perm, and yeah, she's very natural, very pretty. She has the dark roots, and then she has the little honey brown throughout. And I'm assuming like this is probably like a 27-ish. And then the honey brown is throughout. She's very pretty, very full. As you can see, and this is the back of it. This is all the hair to the back. Okay, so she does not shed and she does not tangle. Like, even though she's a natural kinky hair, it's still easy to run your fingers through it. So it doesn't hold your fingers. It's really soft. There really isn't much to say about this wig. I feel like it speaks for itself. It's very pretty. It doesn't come with baby hair, but I did take a little bit of my hair out to kind of like create just a tiny bit of baby hair. Now the parting space, I feel like it could be wider, but you can always pluck some of the hair out, or you can add some what is this thing called? You can add some powder into the parting space to give that illusion that it's a bigger parting space than it actually really is. I really don't have much to say about this wig. If you're interested in this wig, I'll leave the link down below where I got this. I think I got it from Sam's Beauty. Okay, so I did get this wig from Sam's Beauty, and it is $39.99. They are currently sold out. This wig, it does not last. Like once it's on the website, if you don't grab it, it's gone. I was watching this wig for months before I finally got my hands on it. But it is currently sold out. I'll try to see if I can find other websites that have it, and if I do, I'll link it down in the description. But yeah, this NEESHA collection, it has a variety of different styles. I do have another NEESHA that I will do on my next video, which is the long NEESHA. But this one is the NEESHA 201. I feel like this could be an everyday look. This could be an everyday look. It's the perfect length, and it's the perfect color. Like if you're not feeling this color, you can just get the regular 1B. And it does come in a variety of other special colors. It has the cinnamon spice. It has honey brown, which is the one that I have right here. It has black cherry, and it has butterscotch. These are the different special colors that it comes with. Okay, and this is the 1B, which looks so natural. It says that you can use heat on it, but I don't see why you would, because the texture is fine. I feel like there's no reason to use heat on this wig. And it also says that, yeah, it says that it's a natural texture and volume, which it is. Like this really looks like it could be my hair. I'm gonna stop touching it. But anyways, I really don't have much to say about this wig. I feel like it speaks for itself. It's perfect. It can be a everyday look, it can be a date night look, it could be a whatever look that you want it to be. And again, this will be a part of the giveaway. So if you're interested in this wig and you would like to participate in that giveaway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the uploads. And also in the comments, make sure to leave your Instagram account, and also follow my Instagram page, which I will link down below.